Hello everyone, my beautiful people, my wonderful family. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends the country you are watching me for. Now me, una sister, una lady, una friend, Edith K Family TV. I am back again. If you know you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. As you do that, may Almighty God bless you all. Thank you very much. All my returning subscriber, my old subscriber, may God bless you abundantly. All those that share my video, those that like my video, those that comment for my video, may Almighty God bless you, and I really appreciate every one of you. Thank you very much, my wonderful people. This is my channel. We cook in this channel and we talk about some matter in this channel, Edith Family TV. Thank you for your understanding. May Almighty God bless you, my wonderful people. My topic today: don't disappoint anyone. It's not good to disappoint anybody. It's not good. But today, we dey disappoint our fellow human being. We dey disappoint our brother. We dey disappoint our sister. Or we dey disappoint a husband to be. We dey disappoint them. Or a wife to be. We dey disappoint them. And it's not good to disappoint anyone. I know one brother, but some years ago now, a lady that Deborah, he trained that lady for school. After settle down, the girl say, I don't want that brother again. He don't have money rich, he don't talk rich, he don't do this one rich. It's not a guy yo-yo. Because of that one, the girl disappoint the guy. The guy say, I cannot bear this. It's unbearable. Instead of to bear it, the guy went to go and buy medicine and drink, then just pass on like that. But it's not good to kill yourself because of somebody disappoints you. I can't kill myself because somebody disappoints me. You say every disappointment is a blessing. The person disappoints you, give thanks to God, give glory to Almighty God. You don't know why the disappointment come like that. You don't know why God made that thing happen. But it's not good to take your life because woman disappoints you or a man disappoints you. It's not good to take your life. It's not good, my wonderful people. The guy just passed on. He said he can't bear it because of a girl disappoint her. Even though you train person for school disappoint you, he said what you sow you will reap. I know what you sow you will reap. No need to kill yourself for anybody. I will kill myself for this sweet life wey we just dey so. That I will come kill myself because somebody disappoint me. No, I can't do that. So my wonderful people, it's not good to disappoint anyone at all. It's not good. It's not good, I beg. It's not good to disappoint anybody. We leave the judgment for God. No need to even judge them. No, we leave the judgment for God. I know one lady. He suffer follow this man for many years. Even this man stay together. Even this thing wey they put for nose now, he follow this man do the business for many years. He follow this man do am. After settle down, the man say no, he don't want the lady again, and the lady don't advance. If you no even see man wey you go even put am for house again. Even the guy now has to house before he can even go back to Africa. If you go take TC to go back to Africa to even renew her paper, he no fit get money because of disappointment wetin that man cause for her life. And it's not good to disappoint anybody. You cause pain for that person body. You cause pain. That person can run mad. That person can he can even go and kill herself. But it's not good to take your life. If person disappoints you, it's not good to take your life. Why you go take your life? God will still bring another person wey dey better pass that one. He go bring am for you. Why you go disappoint? Why you go come say I want to kill my life? It is over. The world is end. No, the world is not end. The lady dey Africa now. Na only God know whether he still get husband or whether. It's not good to disappoint anybody. You disappoint person, you cause pain, heart failure, heartbreak for that person's life. I beg my people. Promise and fail is a sin. It's not good. If they disappoint your sister, how you go feel? You will disappoint somebody's sister. Or if they disappoint your brother, how you go feel? You will disappoint person's brother. May you still think and say, as you go take feel bad, now so that person go still take feel bad. If you no go marry that lady, it's better just stay away from that lady. Or if you no go marry that guy, just stay away instead of to disappoint them. say I will marry you, I will do this one, or because you see money, have money, then you say I will marry you. After the money finish, then you say your Toyin no big reach. Why? But before you dey chop that money, you no know say e too Toyin no e no big reach. Why, my people? There is God. Oh, there is God. Anything we are doing in this life, there is God. Make we dey fear God. We will not fear human, but make we dey fear God. There is God. E no good to disappoint person, to put pain for that person heart, to cause pain, bitterness. Abeg, my people. So it's not good. I know one family. This one related to me. My father elder sister, where he born for, he born one man, he born one pikin for that man about years back. So along the line, two boys just come to their compound. So they are talking about some matter. So we don't even know what they are talking. So the elder brother, he have to come down and upstairs. He have to come down and say, what did they happen, my brother? He said, no, pa, your brother disappoint our sister. Your brother disappoint our sister. Say, okay, no worry, no, we settle the matter. We have to settle the matter. Before you know, they shoot that man, the elder brother of that guy, instantly. And they shoot the man, they shoot the junior brother. They run away because he disappoint their sister. But it's not good to kill somebody because he disappoints you or disappoint your sister, or you yourself to kill yourself because somebody disappoints you. It's not good, my people. They say what a man sow, he will reap. You leave the judgment for God. Now God will judge them, not be you will judge them. Or you can't take your life because of person say I don't want you again, or I don't love you again, or you know fat rich, you know fine rich, you know tall rich, you know slim rich. Then you will kill yourself, or you go and find who kill that man. No, it's not good. I beg, my people, disappointment is not a good thing. It causes many things. It causes heart failure. Disappointment make people to run mad instantly because what you don't expect, it can make that person to run mad. I beg, my wonderful people, disappointment is not a good thing at all. Don't disappoint anyone. If you don't want somebody, it's better don't go for it. It's better don't go for it instead of to kill that person. Because if you disappointment, you destroy that person's life. Because maybe all he hope say na my husband be that one. A husband dey disappoint a wife. A wife dey disappoint a husband. It dey happen. Look at this Europe now wey we dey so. Many men go marry from Africa come to Europe. Before you know, the woman will say, I don't want you again. I don't want you not get money rich. It don't disappoint the man. Or many women today for this Europe, many men they disappoint them. They stay with them for many years in the name of want to marry. After set have done, they will say, I will not marry you again. A lot of them, they are 60, 50. They never even see husband, or they don't get husband. Talk less than children they want get. It's not good to disappoint anybody. If you don't want person, it's better tell us I don't want to. No, yours go for it at all. Then you waste their life for many years. Then you say you will go free. You can't go free. God will judge you. I know you are blessed, my wonderful people, for this wonderful message. Please don't fail anyone. Don't disappoint anyone. It's not a good thing. May Almighty God bless every one of you that understand my wonderful message today. Thank you very much, and I'm going to end this video here. Any update, I will still let you guys know. Don't fail to share my video, like my video. Thank you very much. May Almighty God bless you, and I love you all. Bye bye.